Hi guys, in this video I will discuss about SQL OR of MS SQL Server 2008. So let's begin. What is SQL OR? SQL OR also applies logic to help filter results. The difference is that instead of linking together conditional statements like an AND statement, an OR condition just asks SQL to look for two separate conditions within the same query and return any records or rows matching either of the conditions. So let's see. So just type select all from subjects where subject name like English or subject name like Filipino. There it is. Select all from subjects or subject name like English or subject name like Filipino. So let's run it. So press the F5 key or execute button, then select. There you go. It only shows the subject names like English and Filipino. So there it is, English 101, English 102, Filipino 101, Filipino 102, Filipino 103, and English 101. So let's try to change it to an end. So there is no result because there is no subject name like English and subject name like Filipino. Meaning, they link it together. Instead of linking it together, we must use OR. Then, there it is. Select all from subjects where subject name like English or subject name like Filipino. The SQL separate it so the SQL read is like subject like English or subject name like Filipino. It is two conditions instead of using an AND. An AND will make it a single condition while the OR will make it two separate conditions. So that is, thank you for watching.